Well, I'm trying to do tile. The tile guys just show up, and I guess I misordered tile. So this is one of those things that can happen. So I think we're down to 1 or 2 extra tiles. We're trying to figure out, because it's 2 more weeks to get them in, and I need to get this underneath all the appliances before the kitchen gets delivered tomorrow. So we're going to have to maybe go to Lowe's and get something that looks similar that's going to be underneath the cabinet part, and the part that could potentially show has to match the flooring. These are the things that happen. Oh, here's what's going on outside. This is the fireplace coming in. So this is what it looks like to start with the fireplace. They do all the block wall blocks first, and then getting ready to bring the gas line in. I guess the gas line's gonna have to come through this trench and then back underneath that flower pot. It'll go in through the flower pot, and probably on the back side of that fireplace, it'll be dug in through there somehow. Oh, here comes something going on. Whoa, I don't know what they're building the big structure today, I guess. I don't know. Look at that, here we go. These guys don't mess around. I love construction guys that don't mess around. And I'll tell you, they've got them in Arizona. Okay, goodbye entryway. We're about to take you out. You know, I decided I had to come pick up some of my old tile from the house I'm doing. And then I start seeing all the school stuff, and this is amazing stuff. Like, I mean, nothing I would put in my normal rehabs, right? But, oh, it's so beautiful. This is where I'm just getting a couple of my extra things. But look at this. Look how cool this stuff is. Like, these are shimmery glass in there. Oh my gosh, these are like really cool. Love, love, love that.
8 by 48, correct? Yeah, it's there.
I mean,
You don't have it.
amazing. Oh my gosh, I love that. Those stones are really cool. Oh, I shouldn't have come in here. This just makes you go, oh, look what I could do with all of this stuff. My friend used something like this in the back of their, they did a wine cellar closet that it goes all the way to the ceiling with those wine racks. Really cool. Very cool. Oh my gosh. Some stuff, and this is just a little bit of their showroom here. Ooh, love this stuff too. And you could fade those in. Oh, those are really cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta go get my tile loaded. Okay, 1 day later, look at this. I got our doors on. We got all the drywall touched up. It will be paint ready by the end of today. All that damage from the electricians. And here comes the gas line path for our fireplace out here. So they've really done a big number of landscaping out there today. Okay, so here's the first day of putting the kitchen in, and here's the first part of the pantry back here, and there's gonna be some uppers as well up there. Woohoo, these are gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. No handles on yet. Let's see what they look like inside. I haven't really, oh, no shelves in there yet, but there will be soon. Very cool. Nice soft close. Check it out. They will adjust everything, I'm sure, at the very end, but it's coming along. Here's looks like all the doors too. And let's see what's going on outside, because there's a lot going on out there too. Oh, they put something on the door wall. Okay. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh, I'm locked out. Can't really see. They're doing all the stuff. I have to go around, apparently. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can get through here. We're gonna have this structure done this week. Lots of the, looks like all of the, right here you can see where we added that wall, I think. And that's gotta be all stuccoed back in to match. So lots of work happening this week. Okay, so here's our backyard. It's just being torn apart here. They took down that little pergola, ripping out all the bushes that are not staying and all the shrubbery that's not staying. These bougainvilleas are very, very pretty, but they do shed horribly and they end up all over your pool. They're pulling some of these out as well, because I think it's these things that will be like all along there. They're gonna plant more of them, so it'll make a nice hedge and a little privacy. Wow, lots going on today. Oh, and they're marking those brick because they're gonna match that brick to that brick, which is or stone, whatever you call that. Anyways, it's coming along.